How to adjust speed on VLC Media Player. Hey guys, and welcome back to Delve Stack. In today's video, I'll show you how to adjust the playback speed in VLC Media Player so you can watch videos faster or slower depending on your needs. Whether you're trying to speed up tutorials, slow down music videos, or just analyze a scene in detail, VLC makes it really easy to control the video speed. Stick around because I'll show you all the methods step by step so you can pick the one that works best for you. First of all, you gotta open VLC Media Player on your computer, click on Media, and then open File and select the video you want to play. Start playing the video so you can see the changes in real time. At the top of the VLC, click on Playback in the menu bar. Hover over speed to reveal the speed options. You'll see multiple options such as faster, faster fine, normal speed, slower, slower fine. Click the option you want. Faster or faster fine speeds up the video. Slower or slower fine slows down the video. Normal speed returns to the regular playback. You'll notice the video changes speed immediately as you select an option. For quick adjustments without using the menu, press the right square bracket to increase playback speed, and you can also press left square bracket to decrease playback speed. Press equal sign to return to normal speed. This method is great for real-time adjustments while watching a video. Speed adjustments affect both video and audio, so the sound will change pitch slightly when speed up or slowed down. VLC also remembers the last speed for that session, so make sure to reset to normal speed if needed. Some older VLC versions may have slightly different shortcuts or menu layouts, so update VLC for the best experience. Adjusting playback speed is perfect for watching tutorials faster, slowing down music or tutorials to follow details, reviewing gameplay clips or lectures, analyzing scenes in movies or videos. And that's it. That's how you adjust playback speed in VLC Media Player easily and efficiently. If this video helped you out, hit the like button, subscribe for more simple VLC tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.